You ever wake up and realize you almost sneezed in your sleep? It's like your body is playing a prank on you. Imagine this. You're deep in dreamland, and suddenly, your nose decides to throw a party. Sneezing while asleep can actually wake you up, and it's not just annoying. It can disrupt your sleep cycle, leaving you groggy the next day. So, what can you do? Keep your bedroom dust-free, and consider using a humidifier to keep your nasal passages happy. And if you feel a sneeze coming on before bed, try to clear your sinuses. Trust me, a good night's sleep is way better than waking up in a sneeze panic.